In this guide, we are going over how you can add friends here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process did recently change here in 2026, so now it does work a little bit different, but we're going to go over the two different methods to do this. The first method is the easiest by far. You just have to hit the little people icon up in the top right. It's going to take you to the social tab where you'll be able to hit add friends just like so. And you can either have your friends scan this QR code, you could scan their code by hitting scan code, or what you could also do is hit share link and then send it to one of your friends and they can add you directly by selecting that link. Now, if you are trying to scan someone else's QR code and you want to do this directly in Clash Royale, just hit the little camera icon and you'll be able to immediately scan it and of course add them as well. Now, what you can also do is go back to the battle screen, hit the little three lines just like so, hit Supercell ID, and then of course go to this friends tab, and you can also hit this little plus icon down here and add friends through Supercell as well, but that's completely up to you. Those are the two methods to add friends here in Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out, obviously make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.